The true purpose of life. A deeper reflection. Assalamu alaikum. Have you ever paused for a moment and asked yourself, why am I here? What is the real purpose of my existence? We wake up, eat, work, sleep, and repeat this cycle every day. But is life just about survival? Or is there a deeper, divine purpose behind our creation? Allah, the Almighty, tells us in the Quran, "And I did not create the jinn and mankind except to worship me." Surah Hadith 51:56. This single verse holds the key to our existence. We are not here just to accumulate wealth, chase worldly pleasures, or live for ourselves. We are here to recognize, worship, and serve Allah. But what does it mean to worship Allah? Does it only mean praying 5 times a day and fasting in Ramadan? No. Worship is a way of life. Every action done with sincerity for the sake of Allah becomes worship. Whether it's earning a halal livelihood, taking care of our families, or even smiling at a stranger. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The best among you are those who bring the most benefit to others." Hadith al-Mujam al-Asat. In the race of life, we often forget our true purpose. We chase money, fame, and status, but when we leave this world, none of it will go with us. What will remain are our deeds. Allah reminds us, "Every soul shall taste death, and we test you with evil and with good as a trial, and to us you will be returned." Surah Al-Anbiya 21:35. So what should we do? How can we make our lives meaningful? Strengthen our connection with Allah through prayer and remembrance. Treat others with kindness and compassion. Seek knowledge and act upon it. Live each day as if it's our last, preparing for the hereafter. Brothers and sisters, this life is temporary, but our deeds are eternal. Let us not be deceived by the distractions of this world. Instead, let's strive for a purpose-driven life that leads to eternal success. May Allah guide us all on the straight path. Ameen. If this message touched your heart, share it with others. Let's spread the light of guidance together. Subscribe to Roots of Deen for more reminders that bring us closer to our Creator.